all the dignitaries from different countries, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to extend my salutation to all of you. Please do accept it. The program conducted by ICAP is very important and fruitful. ICAP is a network of different countries' political parties. Political parties have a great influence in many countries. It is the political parties which can bring drastic change in the countries. So, you have already been aware of many things within 2 days. I don't want to take a lot of time since you all are well aware of the universal crime, human trafficking. The forms of human trafficking have been changed. Previously, there was a slavery system, but now its form has been changed. And that to girls trafficking has been an alarming problem of developing countries. This problem has been increasing due to various social problems, unemployment, illiteracy, poverty, fragmented family, and so on. Girls are trafficked via different form means like making fake passport, alluring the girls of a better life in the city, and most of them have been compelled to leave their house because of stepmother, father, husband, and any types of problems. So far as the law is concerned in Nepal for human trafficking, it is very strict, and individual can be kept in the jail for 20 years. But the matter of pity is that the law has not been implemented practically yet. Regarding the role of National Women Commission, it has played a very positive role by conducting various awareness campaigns, visiting different districts of the country, and it is yielding a very positive result. The Commission has already started 5 years strategy plan. It is going to be more focused on this very issue. As far as our country is concerned, certain rule and regulation or strict law haven't been considerably in effect due to the political upheavals. So all the political parties must have to make a political commitment with a unanimous voice to root out this kind of social evils from the country. Last but not at least, I'd like to wrap up my speech thanking ICAP for giving me an opportunity to speak a few words in this formidable problems, and I would like to shower